A wise old owl. Once upon a time, in a dense forest, there lived an old owl. This owl had been observing the happenings of the forest for many years. Every day, she sat quietly on a high branch, watching and listening to the world around her. The other animals of the forest often underestimated her. One day, the animals in the forest got into a heated argument about who was the most important creature in the forest. Each one shouted their opinions loudly, trying to prove their worth. They decided to seek the owl's judgment, knowing her reputation for wisdom. When they approached her, the old owl listened patiently to everyone without interrupting. Then she replied, "Each one of you has a unique role to play in this forest. The trees give us air to breathe. The bees pollinate the plants. The predators keep the balance. And even the tiniest creatures have their part. Instead of arguing, learn to appreciate each other's value." The animals realized the wisdom in her words and agreed to live in harmony, appreciating one another's roles in the forest. The moral of the story is, talk less and be more observant. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.